The iPETRO Lite is a cost-effective fuel management system that allows you to reduce your costs in fuel use. This is the dashboard that tracks the fuel usage in a graph. It has three main icons. The first one is the tags, where you configure how the system will operate. The second one is the site, where you can do fuel dips, record transactions, and see when the last time the system synced. And the last icon is transactions for downloading and running reports. So we'll start at the tags. I just click on the tag icon there, and I can see that this site has 20 tags, and their tags, they've decided that they want them to be vehicle tags. So they've given it a name, and you can change the name by just clicking in it and changing the name here and pressing return. So they've decided these ones are going to be vehicle tags. However, they could also be a driver tag, but typically they're vehicle tags. We've got the username and the driver that's going to usually uses that vehicle. They've got PIN numbers. So once they fob on with their token, it then prompts them to put a PIN number in. The PIN number is optional. You don't have to have a PIN number. You can take the PIN number out and have it blank. You can also turn on the prompts here to prompt for a vehicle, or prompt for odometer, or prompt for driver. And it's just a matter of ticking the options that you prefer to use. Once you've done that, this is Lite Online, so it will sync once a day at a particular time. But if you've made a change like I have then and you want the sync to happen, we can press this button here, which is called Instant Sync, and within 15 minutes it will go and make the changes for you. You've got a download button here where you can download all the tag data into a Excel format. The Sites tab, I'm just going to click on the Sites icon here. And here we can see the current tank level. This one has a tank gauge attached to it, so it will automatically read the dips from the tank. We also have you don't have to have a tank gauge. You can have a virtual tank gauge, but it just means that you need to add the dips yourself after you've had a delivery. I can click this site's details here, and you can edit the location and the contact people. You can see the last transaction that happened here on the 10th, and you can see the last time it's synced. You can also edit the sync time and change it to a time that's more suitable for you. You can see here it's got a automatic tank gauge. We can also send out from here. We can manage the tank alerts. So we can set a trigger in here, which is, for this tank, is 12,000 litres. So we say at 5,000 litres, send an email to support@ipetro.com.au. And you can also get it to send a notification to deliveries at, say, bp.com.au. So your fuel delivery company will also get a notification to say that you're running low on fuel. Now we've got the transactions. These are the transactions that have happened over the period of time. If we scroll to the bottom here, we've got some options here. We can say, show me what's happened in the last 2 weeks. You can pick different filters of product. If you have more than one product, we can run 2 different hoses on this, a high flow and a low flow, or a diesel and ULP, or any combination, diesel and AdBlue. But for this example, I'm just going to say, show me all the transactions in the last 2 weeks. I press update. There's been 7 transactions on this system. I can then download the XLS or the CSV. And it also gives me a running total, 7 counts at 888 litres.